Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the LawnMaster GV1212B Scarifier and Dethatcher. Simply put, this is the best Dethatcher for your lawn. If you're looking to restore your yard to its full, lush potential, then this 2-in-1 tool should be at the top of your list. The LawnMaster GV1212B comes with a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers an impressive 3,400 RPM, ensuring it can tackle even the most stubborn thatch and moss on your lawn. Whether you're looking to dethatch or scarify, this machine offers you the versatility you need. Switching between the two functions is quick and easy, making it perfect for both lawn enthusiasts and beginners alike. One of the standout features of this Dethatcher is its 13-inch cutting width, which allows you to cover a large area without constantly having to go over the same patch. Plus, with 19 adjustable cutting positions, you can customize the depth to suit the condition of your lawn, whether it's light moss buildup or a thicker layer of thatch. This gives you the flexibility to tackle different areas of your yard with precision. The LawnMaster GV1212B also promotes healthy lawn growth by effectively removing dead grass, thatch, and moss, allowing your grass to breathe and access the nutrients it needs to thrive. Timing this Dethatcher's use is key, but with its efficiency, it makes lawn care easier than ever before. Maneuverability is another strong point. Equipped with 6.7-inch front wheels, this Dethatcher is easy to push around, even if your lawn has a few bumps or uneven patches. And there's no need to worry about fuel or batteries. This is a corded electric tool, which means no hassle, just plug it in and you're ready to go. Storage is another consideration when it comes to lawn equipment, and the LawnMaster GV1212B doesn't disappoint. Its fold-down handles make it incredibly compact, ensuring you won't have to dedicate too much space in your shed or garage. In terms of performance, ease of use, and convenience, the LawnMaster GV1212B is a game-changer. If you're serious about lawn care, this Dethatcher is an investment that will save you time and effort while ensuring your lawn stays healthy all year round. So, if you're looking for the best Dethatcher on the market, the LawnMaster GV1212B is a top contender. It's powerful, easy to use, and guarantees that your lawn will look its best. Be sure to check it out and transform your yard into a lush, green paradise. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews.